Hello from Headache Central Creatives. Really quick, just a reminder, you can make one small thing. You can make one completely wrong thing. You can make the jankiest, most ridiculous thing you've ever made in your life that you're not going to show to anybody, even if they put a gun to your head. But you can make one thing. The moment you use words to tell me that you can't think of anything, you've proven you are capable of it because you said the sentence, I can't think of anything. Have your character say that. Draw a flower that says that. Simply sing that in a 1-4-5 chord progression. You can make something. And this is about inertia. If you start and you continue, you're going to break out a block. And if you keep doing it no matter what, you will stay unblocked. You can do this, creative. Make one thing. Let it be little and let it be wrong, but let it exist. Now sit down with me and let's make something new.